Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this BMW X3 today, and we have installed the 12-inch screen in the car. We have removed its original factory unit screen, the normal screen without any latest functions or features. So we have installed the bigger screen than original, so you can see how it looks from the back side. So mostly of our customers ask how it looks back side. So you can see, so it has a frame and that attaches the screen with its like it's a hard screen. You can see it's not loose, so it has a plate or base frame that is sitting exactly on the same position of the original screen. Then this is a vertical screen, same like the newer BMW models have from factory. Then we have, first of all, this is the home menu in the screen. We have first of all navigation. This navigation is like Google Maps, screen's own map, and it's connected with the works with the internet. So right now I don't have any kind of internet my screen or my car, so you can set a SIM card here on the left side, or you can just share the mobile hotspot. Then again we have this music is like this. So all the steering wheel buttons, back camera if you have original from factory, so every original function will be retained, so it will not disappear. Then if we go to the home menu, we have the car info. This car info means the car's original menu, like this is the car's menu that we use to see all the original multimedia functions: radio, telephone, office, connected drive, car info and settings. On tapping the screen, we shift back to the Android screen, and here we have the next the personal, or like these three kind of modes to change the theme color. So we can change different themes as well. We have like ID9, ID8, 7, 5 and up to I think ID5. We have lots of 5 or 6 different themes for this screen, so you can change if you don't like this one. So we have this ID7, all are installed inside the screen. We have ID9 as well, the latest one. So then we go to the here telephone. Right now my phone is connected. I will go back. Then we have the dashboard. In the dashboard it's saying query for failed because right now it's not connected with the internet to update the weather information, so it is showing weather here. Then it shows the RPM that it takes from the compass system, and the tank volume, seat belt warning, or the parking brake warning. So these are 3 or 4 different warnings are available here as well. Then we have like settings. In the settings we have different settings for like system, navigation, audio, language, all other settings options available here. We have video. In the video you can see this is an HD screen. If we do like full screen or like play the video, so you can check the quality of the screen. This is a QLED display. This is the same manufacturer or supplier that supplies for the LG. Then if we go to the apps, we have like different apps that are pre-installed, but we have Play Store as you can see, so you can download any kind of application you want to use in the car. Then we have like some other applications like that needs internet, and some are like offline internet. For example, this iGo Maps that works without any kind of internet connection. So right now I have connected the I have started the app. So here you can see it's searching for GPS signal. Then we are here in the Malmvägen, Australia. This is the shop address. So if I go back, and here in the apps we have the main important function is like this, Z-Link 5. This is the Apple CarPlay Android Auto function. Both are connected or works wirelessly with the iPhone or Android mobile phone. Doesn't matter which brand you have, just you need to have the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay function in your mobile phone. Then your whole mobile phone will be shifted here. Like for example, we have this phone, music, maps. We have 2-3 different kind of maps available in our mobile phone. For example, this Google Maps, if we tap here, so you can see we have like this Google satellite view. If I start the navigation from a mobile phone, so it will show here. If we try the address, so it will like work flawlessly from your mobile phone. This whole application or whole interface, this is from your mobile phone that is coming up here. Then we have the applications that are supported with the Apple CarPlay are appearing here. So then we have the split screen, and we have this last option, the widgets option. So you can like change these widgets according to your taste. So there are different options or settings available to adjust your Apple CarPlay. We have the settings here to change the themes, colors and other stuff. So you can see lots of things are available here: wallpaper, customized icons, Siri. Then another thing, like we have this iDrive as well. So iDrive works over the whole CarPlay or the Android screen as well. If you go back, you can see all the applications, everything is working like flawlessly with the iDrive. I'm not touching any screen. It's touch screen plus the iDrive as well. So here you can see you can control all the screen from this iDrive. Just you need to type the address manually with the touch screen. Then one important function that our customer wants the screen is like they want the CarPlay and the back camera. So the back camera in the car we have from factory, so we did not install the backup camera. Instead, this is the OEM camera that is installed. When you will back the screen, it will like appear directly without any problem, and if you will press parking, so it will disappear and go back to the previous state. So if you want to add a camera, so we have better than original camera. Right now it's not that HD, but we have a Sony camera that you can install. It will be better result than original one. So you can install the back cameras, you can upgrade your back camera, and pretty much you can do lots of stuff. You can install DVRs and this kind of extra add-ons with the screen. So that's the screen or head unit for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask me in the description below. I will be happy to answer you. See you next time, another video. Bye bye.